everybody, and welcome to Tuesday, November 16th. For our daily agenda today, we are getting into our Hunger Games unit. Woo! Our essential question has changed. What is the purpose and structure of a just and fair society? You're due now. For my period 3-4 was your DWA submission. I walked you through how to submit that. And then we did Quill. I did a little bit of building background for Hunger Games. We just talked about it, and then we went straight into it, chicos, because it was time to get into it. And then we had a bit of a discussion. Your homework was the Hunger Games Dialectical Journal, and for you to read Chapter 3. I'm going to show you in this video how to complete the Dialectical Journal and where to find the book. Okay? This was the DWA submission, which I did walk you through last week. Okay. So, once we start the Hunger Games, I know it's like, whoa, that's a lot. It's okay. So, for today, this is where you access the novel. Full text and audio. Okay, this is where you will be able to read the novel when you are at home. And this playlist should be able to play. Should be able to play the entirety of the novel as well. Okay, this is our reading schedule, which we will be following. If you open it up, you will be able to see what chapters you are responsible for as my students and what we will be reading in class together. Okay, so for example, today in class we read chapters 1 and 2. We discussed them. At home, you will read chapter 3. From this point on, you'll be reading 2 chapters at home in order for us to be able to finish the novel in time and for you guys to be able to work on your final projects for the Hunger Games. My honor students had a setting assignment, but the rest of you did not. Okay, let's get into our dialectical journal, shall we? So for your dialectical journal, you guys should be reading chapters 1 through 9. As of tomorrow, we will be finished with chapter 3. What you are responsible for is finding a quote anywhere in the novel that you liked, disliked, or you found it thought-provoking. You must include the page number where you found the quote you are focusing on, and you should be able to also write a short paragraph right here, about 3 to 4 sentences about why you chose this quote. You liked it because, I didn't like it because, it made me think of blank. Your dialectical journal entries will be checked every Friday, so starting this Friday I'm going to check them. It's your responsibility to complete them after finishing a chapter. Each entry is not worth 5 points. I believe it's worth about 3 to 4 points, but when it averages out, it's about 5, okay? So let's get into it. On Monday, 11:15, when we started, I found this quote in the novel. I think he still remembers how I tried to drown him in a bucket when Prim brought him home. Scrawny kitten, belly swollen with worms, crawling with fleas. The last thing I needed was another mouth to feed. Okay, then my reflection on this passage, or this quote, is, I chose this passage because it makes me sad and truly reveals the levels of hunger that exist in the scene. The fact that when Prim first brought home a kitten, Katniss's first reaction was to try and kill it. Even the small amount of food a cat would normally eat couldn't be spared. They were so close to starvation that she tried to kill their pet in order to guarantee a slightly higher chance of survival. This passage shows how the importance of food in the Hunger Games and how it is a powerful motivator, okay? I want something deep. Think of your responses as to why you chose it, an analysis level response, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Your quotes should be meaningful. They should matter to you and to your reading. So you will do that for chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 as you go. This is all chapters 1 through 9, okay? Alright guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. That's really all we did today. On Monday, it was a packed day because we had both of those chapters back to back. Alright, as always, if you have any questions, send me an email, reach out to me, and I'll see you guys later in class. Bye.